Why does your scanner show the P1447 engine code? And what does it mean? The P1447 engine error code stands for the Evaporative Emission Control System Purge Flow Monitor. The P1447 typically indicates a problem with the Evaporative Emission Control System, meaning there's a fault detected within the system responsible for managing fuel vapors in your vehicle, often signifying a leak or malfunction in the purge control valve or related components. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty purge valve, clogged EVAP hoses, EVAP system leaks, faulty EVAP canister, purge flow sensor malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. The P1447 engine code typically appears in a variety of vehicles, but is most commonly in BMW models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.